Oh, look at this mess. Oh, I hope I can spend some time tonight getting it decluttered a little bit, and find my hairbrush would be nice. So, hi Rue. We got her flea and tick collar on, and we're gonna go walk around the park. Come on, don't eat whatever. Oh, look, are those mushrooms? I think they are. Huh. Very quaint little downtown area, isn't it? And there's a waterfall down here, and a little creek. A spring, perhaps? Guess that's why it's called. Oh, come here. We gotta walk over and grab a doggy bag. This way, baby. Let's get that. Come here, because I think you're probably gonna go before I grab a bag. You gotta keep going. Come on. Come on. Come on. Run. Run, Rue, run. Motley Rue. Come on, we'll get to look around at everything in a minute. But we gotta have a doggy bag first. I guess I'll post here. Let's grab a couple. Alright. Never know if we might have more than one doo-doo. Oh, we gotta pee. She got to pay. I need to tighten her harness up for some reason. It's because she's been laying down in it. Honey, why is it so loose? It's not supposed to be that loose on you. What's happening? Hang on a minute. Right. I had to tighten the harness up. It was falling off of her. Neat buildings. Little gazebo. Circa 1895. Renovated in 1989, dedicated to the citizens of Siloam Springs. I hope I'm saying that right. Siloam Springs. I don't think it's Siloam. Check this out. Some muddy water. There she goes. that old building. It's where the American Legion, it said, was in that building. It looks like it was a old church or something at some point. Do you feel better? Yeah, you took a good poo-poo, didn't you? Yes, you did. Pretty tree. Come on, girl. Rooster, come on. Let's walk across this little bridge down here. Come here. A lot of water. Gotta be a small river, a little bit too big for a creek, don't you think? What's this say? Park House Kitchen and Bar. $5 ice cold beer. What is that? Oh, it's one of those little libraries. Come here. Huh. Cute. Alright, let's walk this way. Spray painted rocks. This is neat. Neat old looking bridge, huh? Come on. When I walk across that, it looks a little sketchy. Sign that I have to look on the map to see what waterway this is. Pictures here. Very nice little park. I think this is the Siloam Springs City Park, and our next stop was supposed to be an actual dog park. Crown Hotel. Street Studios, Realtor, and the Health Department. What do we got here? Downtown Siloam Springs. Again, didn't quite go as planned, but this is the other park. What's it called? Bob something Park. Bob somebody Park. So there's tennis courts and basketball courts and a bike trail and a skate park and a volleyball court. 3 nets, 3 courts. It looks a little flooded. And over here is the dog park. Turn around right here. Motley Rue didn't get to go in the dog park because I came over here because it said it had restrooms to use the restroom, and they were either locked or they didn't exist. That's a really nice dog park. So maybe we'll come back through here on the way back and let Motley Rue run around in there, but she got to walk around a good bit. She was a little wore out by the time we left the city park there you saw earlier. But there's like 3 parks here in this little Siloam Springs, Arkansas. Every little town should have something like this, but I imagine because the university is right up the street behind us now, that, you know, this is probably heavily used by university students. Now we got to get out of here, and I was looking at where I was planning on going. It is almost 5 o'clock, and that Jordan recreation area on Lake Norfolk is 3.5 hours away. Maybe it was just right at 3 hours away, because when I looked at it, it said it would be 8 o'clock when I got there. And I really hate that. I don't want to like pull in somewhere. Really feel like driving 3 hours either, and I don't want to pull in somewhere and, you know, have little daylight left to set up camp. So I looked at kind of a little over halfway point. 2 hours away is something called Bear Springs, I think, Arkansas. Look like similar to the Siloam Springs in size. I think all this is, you know, probably in that the Ozarks area. So the temperatures are decent. I mean, it's kind of muggy out because they had rain, but it's only 86. Doesn't feel bad. Even without the air on, it doesn't feel that bad. Just the humidity I'm not used to. You know, Arizona, 115, but it's a dry heat, right? We are back in the van. Rue got a good walk in. She got to use the bathroom. We got some pretty video. How do you like that little waterfall and that bridge and that little city park? I thought that was just quite quaint. And we are headed out of Siloam Springs, and we're going to drive 2 hours to Bear Springs, and we're just going to see what's there. So there's got to be some kind of park or state park or something, some kind of campground around there that I can get in. It'll be 7 o'clock. By the time I get there, that leaves me a couple hours of daylight to kind of get dinner, because I still haven't eaten anything. I've been munching again on crackers and string cheese. These just take longer than you think they would. Anyway, hopefully this won't make it too much more of a drive tomorrow. So, you know, I might have an extra hour to drive tomorrow. I don't think that'll be too bad. So, that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll lose a few pounds by not eating. Let's see how this goes and what I find tonight. This is going to be an unplanned overnight stop, wherever it is.